here.
Brad.
Yes, just listen to the phone, not the radio.
Brad.
Yes.
I have my two daughters come up here and the mother, husband filed for them. But what happened, they did get a 2-year visa and they never know, so it expired. So now they want for them green card, the citizenship. For it's more than 10 years now. They want the citizenship. Can they do it without the green card? Or does it expire?
They had a 2-year or a 10-year green card?
2 years they did get.
And all right, so first of all, they have to file a late application for the 2-year. And then once the late application is filed and received, then you can file for your citizenship.
They have to file a late application.
But you have to listen to the phone. Don't listen to the radio. Turn your radio down.
Yeah, so they have to file a late one?
You have to file a late application, and you have to have a very good excuse why you're filing a late application. They're going to need an attorney. Right now, they're not lawfully admitted to the United States as a resident. They got to be lawfully admitted as a resident to file for your citizenship, which means that immigration has to accept that late filing.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
So they need help of a lawyer, but we can help them. We've done this before.
Okay.
All right? Howard.
Hey, Brad.
How are you?
I'm good. My mom filing for my sister. She have a party date of June of 05.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have an idea for the reach with those in that category?
Is your sister
married?
Married.
Right.
Okay, 1 second. Let me pull it up here. They are January 22nd, 2004.
2004?
Yes. So if she's 2005,
Wow.
she's somewhere between 12 to 24 months off.
Around 2 years, the next 2 years?
Within two years or less, yeah.
Okay, so there's nothing I can do, just wait.
Just wait, but she's close.
Okay, then. Thank you very much.
D.
Hi, Brad. I have a question.
Yeah.
My mom filed for my sister and her husband about 10 years ago, almost 10 years ago. And my mom has since retired. So I'm wondering if when they're going to get ready to recall, if it's going to be a problem.
No, because even though your mother's retired, she has to give an affidavit of support and show no income, or maybe she just gets a pension or whatever it is. But you could always get a second affidavit of support from somebody else.
Okay, that was going to be my second question.
Right.
Can I do the affidavit
Absolutely.
of support for her?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, not for her. Your mother's going to do one, and your mother's affidavit of support is going to be insufficient, but she has to still do one as the petitioner, and then you're going to do a second one, and then you're going to do a second one.
Okay. And another question.
Right.
The date she filed was in June 2005. Where are they up to now? I didn't hear your answer for the other
January 2014.
January 2014.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Esmeen.
Hello?
Yes.
I'm just asking, how long can a person keep their green card expired?
Never.
Hello?
Yeah, why would you want to keep your green card expired?
No, it's my grandson, his green card is expired.
Well, if he's living here in America, he's still a lawful resident, even if the green card expired. He just doesn't have evidence of it, so he should just refile again. If he's living in another country for years and the green card expired, then he gave up his residence. So it depends where he's living.
No, he's living here. And
So
one more question. Yeah. I had a family member who we did file for the two person we filed for, but one paperwork was good, but the other one did have an effect, and the both of them was turned down. Could we refile for the one that everything was okay?
Absolutely. You can refile again and again and again until you get it approved.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Trevor?
Yes, Mr. Farmer. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon.
I'm having a problem with immigration. And not only me alone, there are tens and millions of people that who file for their family, and up to 10, 11, 12 years now.
Right.
And up to now, they can't hear nothing in the immigration system. What's really going on?
What's going on is that they have more people filing than they have green cards available under the law. So under the law, they only give out a certain amount of green cards for any specific case. For example, if you're the unmarried son or daughter of a U.S. citizen, they only give out 23,400 green cards a year. Now that 23,400 includes any children. So when one parent files for a son or daughter and that son or daughter includes 2 or 3 children on that case, that's 3 or possibly 4 people off the 23,400 that's allotted, and that's worldwide. Worldwide, that's as many people can come. So if you have more than 20, I'm giving you that as an example on the unmarried sons or daughters of U.S. citizens. So when you said millions of people have applied, absolutely millions of people applied, but they only have 23,400 out of the millions available, which is why there's waiting lists. It's like saying we have 1 million people who want to go into this movie theater, but only 23,400 seats. So then you got to wait for the movie to end and then fill up the theater with the next 23,400 seats. And the movie theater only empties out once a year. So that's what's really going on. So when I say, when they talk about immigration reform, it's not just immigration reform in the sense of what do we do about the people who are here out of status. It's also immigration reform about what do we do about these huge backlogs of applications that are pending and takes years and years and years.
Right.
Okay?